Hello, today I would like to go over my design justification for the infograph. I hope you publish. As you know, social media is a huge operation, so the statistics are important to show the public. First, I just use 3 complement color as you can see looking through. I felt that the 3 complement each other well, and the other color are not too distraction. That is become distracting. Now I want to talk about some of the design principle I use. First, hierarchy is using bigger and smaller size of text and image to draw a reader to important information. I have used hierarchy on many of these words such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I have also made other interesting aesthetics bigger than other words so they stand out. Next, approximately was important to use to keep information about different platforms together. I used aesthetics from Facebook and aligned it, and it is vertical on the page and on section. And I did the same for the Twitter and Instagram to allow all information related to each platform to stay near each other so that a viewer would not have to search around the infograph for the information. I have also used the design principle for similarity and anomaly here with my photograph. I want to show how many people out of 10 are Instagram users, so made 9 of the photograph on color and 1 of them another color to directly contrast the other. I also use 4 out of 5 Twitter pairs to show how many world leaders use Twitter. Next, I would like to move into alignment. Each of category is vertical aligned in its own section. Facebook has its own vertical section, Twitter has its own vertical section, and Instagram has its own vertical section. At the bottom, I have used horizontal alignment to align up the pie chart between the left and right margin equally. Finally, I would like to discuss the font that I have used in my own graphic. I use 3 different types of font, include script of the title and the name of social media platform serves for more important text, and since serve for the text that is the smallest. Use different type of font to make the visual more interesting, and it is distinguish each piece of information from the information around it. I hope that my design justification are acceptable so that we can move forward with publish my social media infographic. Thank you.